With the current surge in car prices, longevity has become a crucial factor for buyers eyeing full-size SUVs. While maintenance and driving habits influence durability, not all SUVs are equally reliable. Despite criticism for some models being money pits, full-size SUVs with sturdy truck chassis are known for their longevity. We've researched and curated a list of the most reliable options capable of easily surpassing 250,000 miles. Hi guys, welcome to Finest Vehicles. Today we will look at 10 most reliable full-size SUVs that will last over 250,000 miles. Number 10. The Ford Flex. Despite no longer being manufactured, the Ford Flex presents a distinctive offering as a full-size crossover SUV, constructed on a unibody platform and sharing architecture with the Explorer. Renowned for its durability, numerous models have surpassed 100,000 miles. With an average annual maintenance expense of $713, it distinguishes itself for reliability within the large SUV category. The 2019 model stands out with the highest reported mileage reaching 262,521 miles. Opting for the 2019 Flex is recommended, backed by a commendable reliability rating of 82 out of 100 from J.D. Power. Number 9. The Nissan Armada. The biggest SUV from Nissan offers seating for up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, boasting a roomy interior, a potent V8 engine, and a range of standard features. It has earned a respectable 3.5 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal, positioning it as the second best in its class. Owners attest that with proper upkeep, it can easily exceed 300,000 miles. Maintenance expenses are notably low, averaging just $550 per year, well under the industry norm. The top reported mileage stands at 268,490 miles for a 2010 model. J.D. Power highly recommends the 2020 Armada, awarding it an impressive reliability score of 91 out of 100. Number 8. The Cadillac Escalade. The Cadillac Escalade is a full-size luxury SUV that combines opulence with durability. With the highest reported mileage of 309,340 miles, the Escalade proves its ability to endure the test of time. Despite its luxury features, the Escalade maintains reasonable maintenance costs, with an average yearly expense of $1,007. J.D. Power rates the 2020 Escalade as the best model year to buy used, with an impressive quality and reliability score of 85 out of 100. Number 7. The Ford Expedition. The Ford Expedition emerges as a durable and long-lasting option in the full-size SUV market, offering exceptional reliability and endurance. With the highest reported mileage of 335,000 miles, the Expedition demonstrates its capacity for longevity. iSeeCars data suggests that 4.5% of all Expeditions are likely to surpass 200,000 miles, highlighting its enduring appeal. The Expedition remains affordable to maintain, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $861. For those considering a used purchase, the 2016 Expedition emerges as the top choice. It boasts a commendable J.D. Power quality and reliability score of 79 out of 100. Number 6. The Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is the largest SUV from Chevrolet, standing as a testament to reliability and endurance. Boasting a highest reported mileage of 340,000 miles, the Suburban exemplifies its ability to withstand the test of time. iSeeCars reports that around 6.6% of Suburban models are expected to reach 200,000 miles or more, further solidifying its reputation for longevity. Despite its cavernous interior and robust performance, the Suburban maintains reasonable maintenance costs, with an average yearly expense of $944. The most recommended model year for purchasing a used vehicle is the 2020 Suburban, boasting an impressive J.D. Power quality and reliability score of 83 out of 100. Number 5. The Toyota Sequoia. In the 5th position, the Toyota Sequoia emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of full-size SUVs, offering exceptional reliability and longevity. With the highest reported mileage of 390,000 miles, the Sequoia showcases its ability to withstand the rigors of extended use. iSeeCars data indicates that an impressive 14.2% of all Sequoia models are projected to reach 200,000 miles or more, further establishing its reputation for durability. The Sequoia has reasonable maintenance costs, with an average yearly expense of $642 according to RepairPal. The optimal choice for a pre-owned model would be the 2020 Sequoia, recognized for its outstanding J.D. power quality and reliability rating of 84 out of 100. Number 4. The Toyota Land Cruiser. Next on the list is the Toyota Land Cruiser, renowned for its legendary reliability and longevity. With the highest reported mileage of an incredible 500,000 miles, the Land Cruiser has established itself as one of the longest-lasting SUVs of all time. iSeeCars data suggests that 18.2% of Land Cruiser SUVs should reach at least 200,000 miles. Despite its robust build, the Land Cruiser has reasonable maintenance costs, with an average yearly expense of $843. The best year for buying a used model is the 2021 version, which has had no recalls, 0 complaints, and received a solid reliability score of 83 out of 100 from J.D. Power. Number 3. The Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator emerges as a hulking full-size luxury SUV with a penchant for endurance. With the highest reported mileage of 527,961 miles, the Navigator showcases its ability to deliver long-lasting performance. iSeeCars data suggests that 2.6% of Navigator units sold in 2019 reached 200,000 miles, underscoring its reliability. Despite its luxurious features, the Navigator is relatively affordable to maintain, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,089. The top choice for a pre-owned purchase is the 2017 Lincoln Navigator, noted for having the fewest complaints on car complaints. Number 2. The Chevrolet Tahoe. Following closely behind is the Chevrolet Tahoe, renowned for its durability and resilience. Boasting a highest reported mileage of 654,936 miles, the Tahoe has proven its ability to withstand the test of time. iSeeCars data indicates that 4.4% of all Tahoe models are likely to register more than 200,000 miles, further solidifying its reputation for longevity. The Tahoe is affordable to maintain, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $744. The optimal pick for a used purchase would be the 2020 model year, distinguished by its impressive 87 out of 100 J.D. power quality and reliability score. And now, for number 1, the GMC Yukon. At the top of the list, the GMC Yukon stands as the epitome of reliability and longevity in the full-size SUV market. With the highest reported mileage of an astonishing 999,999 miles, the Yukon has cemented its status as an enduring icon. iSeeCars data suggests that 3.7% of all Yukon models are likely to drive for at least 200,000 miles, thanks to its robust drivetrain. Despite its impressive performance and luxurious amenities, the Yukon maintains reasonable maintenance costs, with an average yearly expense of $744. The prime choice for a pre-owned purchase is the 2011 model, renowned for its strong reliability and quality with an 86 out of 100 J.D. power score. Which one would you like to own? Give your opinion in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? Then please like and subscribe for more of the best new vehicle videos here at Finest Vehicles.